Hopefully it's not an eel. Yeah, off again. A little bit of a mini escape. Perfect day, as you can tell. Just gonna go cruise across the local rainforesty mountain, and I'm going to attempt to have a bit of a fish off the motorbike near Scott's Head. Found a little spot that I've never been to, so yeah, fishing rod down there. This will be interesting. Wish me luck with that, and yeah, see how we go. So it's a nice run through here. We're sort of between a couple of headlands. We're between Middle Head and Grassy Head. There's a nice sort of twisty bit of road. Not that I'm into twisties, but just nice. Nice bush. Usually not much traffic. So we're only about probably 500 metres from the beach. So as soon as I talk of cars, and not much of them, I see two of them. Yeah, this is sort of the back road from Stewart's Point to Scott's Head. Certainly the quickest way. And the nicest. So just rolling into Scott's Head. Now this is a town where you have some awesome views from certain houses. So look at that. That is a crazy look. So we're looking sort of northwest there. I will go down to the headland and yeah, I'll have a better look around. Alright, go for a bit of a walk up the top here. Pretty cool view of this platform. Go for a bit of a walk out, a little bit further out. Might send the drone out for a wander. Haven't been out much further than here, so let's do it. Now there's a room with a view. Awesome. Winter sun's so nice now. A bit colder and this is bloody beautiful. Alright. We will yeah, send the drone out and then we'll go try and catch something. There's a fishing spot there-ish that I haven't been to, so let's do it. up and away. That's a pretty impressive headland. Alright, we'll go back down, go up into the rainforest at Yarrabney. Just have a look at, actually no, I'm going to try and catch something. I'll go find this boat ramp. Got my little rod, some bait, so see what happens there. I've never fished there, so this will be interesting. So I'm not 100% sure where this, that's me, Scott said. I'll show you this table in a minute, she's pretty cool. So I'm here, I've got to get to, where the hell am I? There. There's. What are we looking at? 1.4 k's. This will get me there. Anyway, so I turn into somewhere. We'll get there. But yeah, how cool is this table, eh? I got lost in Scott's Head, which is crazy. It's like 10 streets. There's the river. Don't know how bad it's going to look. We've had a lot of rain, as everyone knows. Oh, I think it looks horrible. It just looks chocolate brown. Yeah, I just seen a little access to the water then, but here's a boat ramp. Might be able to sneak it out. Too easy. So we're going pretty high tech with this. So all we've got is a little ball sinker straight to a 1/0 hook, and the bait is just chicken breast, which is nice and soft. Fish seem to like chicken. That's about it. We'll see what happens, eh? Send him out. Well, something lives here. God, how am I going to wind in fight? It's, oh dear, this is a challenge. Winding and finding a fish and filming. I reckon it's an eel. I just got this bad feeling. Doing lots of zigzagging. Zigzagging, oh, suggest an eel going backwards. Let's see how accurate I am. Yes, entirely accurate. Big brown, splishy, splashy eel. Oh God. Oh dear. So yeah, I just lost him, which is a crying shame because it's not what I wanted. Oh my God. So he's about 8 pound. It's slippery, bottom feeding Eric the eel. So yeah. If I get another one of them, I'm leaving. I'll throw out another bait and see what happens. That's a pretty shaky start. But funny. Okay, round 2. More eel bait. Let's not catch another eel. That's pretty well it. Looks good enough for an eel to eat. Let's hope for something silver this time. Yeah, I'm not going to complain about the location. Definitely pretty. I will complain about the lack of fish. So I'll give us a few more minutes. It's been out for about 5 minutes. Oh, we got a dog fight going on. Crows hassling pretty well everything. It's all happening. Yeah, I'll give it a bit longer. So there we go. Alright, round 2 of something. And it's pretty big and it's swimming. Hopefully it's not an eel. Try to get it in, a bit hard to wind and film. Alright, get serious. Going down. Going down. I've only got 6 pound line, which is not ideal. I can't imagine it being anything particularly good. It'll be brown. It's doing its zigzag backwards thing, and it's me mate again. It's me. There you go. Brown eel. Alright. I reckon I'm out of here. Alright, that's enough excitement. 2 big fat eels. I'm leaving. Anyway, I tried fishing. Bit of fun. Alright, let's go find some rainforest and get a feed. Starving. Change of environment. Here's the first little creek as you enter. Wayway State Forest. Got a bit of water in it for once. Often run dry these, but she's going alright today. Cool. Go in a bit deeper. So there's a few little cool creeks in here that you got to cross. Bloody beautiful when you look up them. Awesome. It's always amazing how dark it is in these places. I came up a little bit and I'm back down near the creek again. But look at it, it's just crazy. Yeah, it's been along a little bit. I'm walking up the creek a bit now, or towards the creek, and yeah, we're getting lost. Didn't take long. Yeah, so I've got a spot in here that's looked alright. Bit of hope for a feed. Yeah, awesome. Proper rainforest where nobody goes. Very beautiful. Get a little fire going down there on the rocks. Should be good. Yeah, I just finished my feed, relax for a little bit longer, and then yeah, start heading back. Might head out to the west. I think it's Rose's Road, takes me back to the highway, but I'm gonna soak this up a bit longer and enjoy my meal. They're a bit hard earned, the old bush barbecues, but they're bloody good. Alright, next stop, out of this rainforest and back out into the open forest, and then the highway. Alright, I'm out of here. One last look at it. My random spot. And we'll, yeah, swap back out, load up the bike. Mate, this jungle in front looks awesome. The colours, greens, just so vivid. Beautiful. Tangled in vines. Motley sun blinding me. Yeah, bloody crazy environment, rainforest. So lush. It's lucky there's no leeches. I didn't see one leech. Perfect. Alright, on the bike and out of here. Whew. That's a pretty awesome way to spend a day. Get out of work and just tap out, get in the forest and relax and Oh, check out the ocean as well, it's awesome. Catch a couple of eels. Bloody things. But yeah, if you like the videos, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, I'll catch you next time. No idea where, but we will I'll be going somewhere. Alright, I'm out of here. I'll catch you soon.